In this video we're going to be repairing yet again the rear cover for a Salisbury axle. Plug stripped out here. Yeah, it's a common thing, we've done this before. I thought I'd do an update. All we're going to use is a 3/4 inch bushing with a plug. That's going to be your new plug. We're going to weld this in. But a couple of important things first. These are zinc plated or galvanised. We're going to take it off with some muriatic acid because we don't want that contaminating our weld. We want a good weld and we want to have it oil tight. Right then. In here is a little container of muriatic acid. It's nasty stuff. Concrete cleaner, in other words. Taking our bush, and you should put gloves on, but I'm going to stand back, and then we're going to dip that in there and look at that reaction. See? That's all the zinc burning off. Once the reaction has stopped and all the zinc's gone, we're going to wash it off, and then we're going to put this through the sandblaster and clean it off. There you go. That's after sandblasting. The reason is, like I say, we want to get as much zinc off that as we can because we're going to weld it. So we've got our cover here. Now it has been already opened out to put a black plastic bung in, but that's not good enough. So what we're going to do is try and screw that piece in, which it will do, kind of nicely. But I want to get it square. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, it's a bit dented, the cover. So then what we're going to do, we'll get a Sharpie. We're going to mark inside here, if we can, get into the root of the thread. Just a little mark in there, because we want to cut that off. And the reason why we're going to do that, it's very difficult to get your grinder in there to cut that off once it's welded. So we'll get that off and cut it down. With the plug screwed in now, we have this at the back. It's not going to get in the way, but we can get a nice weld all the way around that, so that's the next thing. Welded. Nice, eh? Now we'll just let that to cool down a bit and we can put some paint on that. Looks alright there. Not too shabby. Right, that's the cover re-sandblasted. It looks kind of nice. I'm going to blow off all the excess dust and then just give it a quick coat of this enamel inside and out, just to stop that flash rusting again back when it's dry. Right, so there we go. That's the finished article, painted inside and out. Should be good. It's just a pity that I did it with a rough sandblast first, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. But like I said, the bung is easy to get out, and I can guarantee you'll never strip it. See you later.